Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
God does not sleep. Does God also sleep like us human beings? The answer to this question is very obvious. If we ask this question from anyone, he will say no, God never sleeps, because if God would sleep, the order of this universe would be in chaos. Yes, God never sleeps. If he would sleep, everything would be perished. It is the God who controls the universe. If he would sleep, planets would collide with each other, and the accurately managed program of rainfall and the sprouting of plants and the blowing of winds and the gushing of springs and all the other natural phenomena would end up in total chaos. Quran also says in this regard,
neither drowsiness befalls him nor sleep.
Once Prophet Musa alayhi salam said to himself, does God also sleep like us human beings? Of course, Prophet Musa alayhi salam knew that God does not sleep. However, by all means, this question came in his mind. For Prophet Musa alayhi salam to know more on this topic, God did something. He ordered sleepiness and weakness to prevail over Prophet Musa alayhi salam for 2 or 3 days. Then he ordered him to bring 2 glass pots and asked him to be very careful so that those pots wouldn't collide with each other. Prophet Musa alayhi salam obeyed the orders of God and took the 2 glass pots in his hands. When Prophet Musa alayhi salam was taken over by sleep, the 2 glass pots came very near to each other and were about to collide and break. However, Prophet Musa alayhi salam would open his eyes once and wouldn't allow it to happen. For a few hours he was able to keep those pots intact. However, when once the sleep took over him, he slept at the spot and those 2 pots smashed and broke. With the sound of smashing of the 2 glass pots, Prophet Musa alayhi salam woke up from his sleep. He understood that God, by this test, has replied to his question. He said to himself,
because of my sleep, these 2 glass pots that I must have well taken care of smash with each other and broke into small pieces.
If God also slept, everything in this universe would lose its order, and the sky and the earth would be completely destroyed. Thus, God never sleeps.